Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2009 Cadillac CTS, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, taking a look into the trunk, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Do also have a nice WeatherTech cargo mat in here, so no need to worry about a mess. And now looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrest, if I can reach that, with cup holders as well. And down here you have a little compartment with a 12-volt power outlet. You also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable steering wheel. And then you have two memory buttons for your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors, I believe. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 83,861 kilometers. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls. And then down here to the left of the steering wheel you have your light controls, of course, but then the controls to cycle through your information, such as digital speedometer, average speed, fuel economy, trip timer, fuel range, so distance to empty, and trip A and B mileage. And then you can also cycle through things like your service information and all of that. But then you can go back. Moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which does come out like so. Pretty nice, interesting. And then it is radio, Sirius, CD, and I believe also Bluetooth, or it should be. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Or actually, if we can... is also a touch screen, so that's always convenient. But moving on from that, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. So that's cool too. Moving down from that, you have your little clock face here to keep time, and then you have all of your navigation and audio controls here too, very convenient. And then down below that, you have your climate controls here with dual front climate and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate, as you can see. Then you do also have a compartment here with a 12-volt and a little cubby there. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And here you have cup holders that come out like so, very sleek and stylish. And you have your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious inside as well. And inside you have a USB auxiliary and 12-volt power outlet, so that just adds to your audio options. You can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio that way. And then last but not least, you do have a nice big sort of panoramic moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.